Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Nayi i-question la bafethu ukuthi ubani oyi-best striker laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs? Ngike ngayikhava le nto le, but-ke let's cover it in a different way ukuthi abantu bayibone. For mina ku-Kaizer Chiefs i-best striker uKhanyisa Mayo, but-ke inhlanhla ayikakabi esayidini lakhe and even namanje udila nama-injuries bafethu. Masibheka uMayo uyi-clever finisher overall, u-creative, une-flair, una-everything ongayidinga kumuntu. Yabona masikhuluma, angithi eSouth Africa sithi umuntu uyinkomo if akakwazi uku-trap-a kahle, uku-control ibhola, zonke lezo zinto lezo. uMayo una-everything-ke eSouth Africa okuthiwa umuntu i-star. Une-skill, una-everything, une-range, una-everything. And then uFlavio Silva, yes, uyi-hero at the moment ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Asifuni ukuqamba amanga, like ukora ama-winning goals awu-2. It's sad ukubona uJunior Khanye bangakwazi ukumcompliment. uJunior Khanye uze wathi imbombayi, kusho ukuthi uyi-fraud kahle kahle uSilva. Why angacompliment umuntu? Because uSilva umsebenzi wakhe ukushaya amagoli kuphela. Akumelanga ukuthi atrap-e fence, akumelanga enzeni, umsebenzi wakhe ukuba ebhokisini akore ama-goals for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I think lama-moment lawa important babaloke baskwera amabhola. No-Ighodaro, by the way, uyakwazi ukudlala leyo system leyo ukuthi abe laphana ebhokisini. Uyawashaya futhi naye amagoli ngekhanda. Ufuna isikhathi esiningi bamskorele amabhola. Unfortunately u-Kaizer Chiefs abakamsupply kahle. So simbonile kule game lena eSimba ukuthi u-comfortable on the ball. Uyalazi ibhola kakhulu, but if they're not gonna play him kuma-strength wakhe ngeke simbone nokumbona. uDuplessis can't be the best striker ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Sesimazi for some time. And then uDuba siyazi ukuthi mncane, unaleyo hunger nepower, but mana sikakamboni. uMorris is by far one of the worst striker ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Sorry Morris, but iqiniso mfethu. But yeah, obviously-ke masingena ku-iconic strikers ku-Kaizer Chiefs, what it means to represent i-Kaizer Chiefs. It's sad okwamanje at the moment because of like masingeke singene this season. Let's forget about this season kancane. Previous seasons i-striker se-Kaizer Chiefs kumele sishaya amagoli a-serious bafethu, at least more than 10 goals-ke, but-ke abakwe they've failed ukushaya ama-10, 15 plus goals laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I-striker saku-Kaizer Chiefs bekwaziwa nje ukuthi siyawashaya amagoli. Ngeke sikhulume ngama-record kaMbesuma ukuthi washaya amagoli awu-30 something ngesizini eyodwa, 35. O-Knowledge Musona nabo ma-i-strikes i-Kaizer Chiefs bewaziwa ngamagoli. I think uBennett Parker naye washayile lawo magoli lawo, to be fair, because ubanikile lento le ispark ukuthi yazini uyilwele i-Kaizer Chiefs. So uMayo, asibuyeni kuMayo. Into emenza ukuthi abe special uMayo bafethu, uhlakaniphile kakhulu. Akalindi ibhola nje kuphela, but then ucreate-ela iy'pace zakhe, ayele azilandela ibhola, umbone ukuthi angene nale 18, ashaye even out of i-18, ushaya ngey'nyawo zoyi-2. Same thing no-Ighodaro, comfortable like ngey'nyawo zoyi-2 ngapha nangapha. Angeke umbeke as i-traditional number 9 uMayo, uyakwazi ukuba i-traditional. In fact, the disadvantage kaMayo ukuthi ngeke umdlalele ukuthi umskorele amabhola emedlala nama-defender amade isikhathi esiningi, umskorele phezulu, kumele nidlaleni phansi. Is comfortable there kakhulu. Whereas ama-advantages wabo-Ighodaro nabo-Silva uyakwazi ukubaskorela amabhola bawine lawo mabhettle lwasemoyeni because of nabo i-height banayo and then ba-powerful bobawu-2. Yeah, but yeah, uMayo unayo une-confidence e-serious. Once he gets his groove going uzokwazi ngempela ukudlala serious. But I'm liking what I'm seeing ukuthi bayakwazi ukuproduce amagoli even nabo-Silva. I mean uSilva uthola leso sikhathi esincane, but lesi sikhathi esincane asitholayo uyakwazi ukusisebenzisa serious futhi, hayi indaba yokudlala. I mean ukora amagoli awu-3 against lapha eDurban futhi, yes, against lo i-Arrows ukwazile futhi ukushaya i-winning goal. A-connecta noGustin Sereno, which shows us ukuthi uGustin Sereno could possibly be one of the most important players ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But uGustin Sereno ngathi akafuna ukudlala kwesinye isikhathi uma umbukele, ngathi ufuna, I don't know if uthi wenzela i-team i-favor kwenzakalani angazi, but yeah, there's something offish ngoGustin Sereno. Siyamazi ukuthi uyadlala, but-ke emagemini amaningi ubonakala ngathi akana-interest at all. And then sine-striker-ke ezi-different laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ezinye ezingakadlali, abo-Batman. uBatman abamazi abambukele kakhulu bathi u-good, but-ke i-stage obvious ku-Kaizer Chiefs isikhulu. uSinoduba, ayi ihora la ku-Kaizer Chiefs elincane madoda. To be fair, uDuba bafethu akakadlali kahle this season but siyamazi ukuthi anga-offerani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, uyi-workaholic naye. I think i-system ka-Coach Nabi beyimsebenzela kahle kakhulu nanokuthi u-Coach Nabi beka-believer kuDuba kakhulu. I remember u-Coach Nabi just before bedlala ne-Orlando Pirates asho ukuthi uDuba when he was suspended because of naye uye wathola ama-yellow card. He was suspended for leya game leya, asho ukuthi bazomkhumbula ngempela because of udlala i-role important ku-system yakhe as a-coach. But yeah, they have equality laphana phambili for the first time in a long run, in a long time bafowethu, like bane-quality eserious. Banama-player masiwabheka ama-player wakhona sisho ukuthi okay, la ma-player lawa angakwazi ngempela ukudlala ucontribute ethimini to give ama-results overall. But at the same time i-system bafethu abayidlalayo o-coach, I mean okay, okay, I don't wanna criticize o-coach kakhulu, ngiyazi ukuthi abantu bathi abanikwa isikhathi but guess what? Une-strike esi-powerful u-Ighodaro, u-powerful u-Ighodaro, u-comfortable on the ball, una-everything ongayidinga estrikeni. But umbona ungale kwesenti, i-supply ayikho because mabaya phambili laphana bancane ku-Kaizer Chiefs, they are outnumbered by ama-defenders. There's no way u-Ighodaro ku-P_S_L aphume abe yimpumelelo ku-Kaizer Chiefs if aba-change i-system yabo ukuthi bamsuplaye kangconywana. U-Ighodaro kumele ayomaka, kumele aye le nale. And mawuthatha ukubheka kulama-team lawa, when I watch u-Ighodaro kulama-team lawa amancane amaZulu, bekangayidlali lento le ayidlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Le engimbone previous game ayidlala baze bamreplace, ngeke umbone at all. But kuma-team afana naboMaZulu, I think nako-SuperSport, is it Chippa United, i-system yakhe bebazi ukuthi uyi-strike esihlala laphana close to i-box, but ku-Kaizer Chiefs-ke bamdlalise a different role. We understand obvious ukuthi ku-Kaizer Chiefs i-demand i-different, but-ke you are one of the biggest teams in South Africa. You have to attack. So when you are attacking, make sure that your dangerous man useduze naseboxing because uyakwazi ukulicontrol ibhola. USilva same way, uSilva uyakwazi ukuwaqedelela amabhola, ukuwashaya uma eseboxini, uyakwazi ukuzithola kuma-position a-right. Lento yokuthi yokuswitcha oSilva, ukuthi uSilva akaye laphana esayidini manje baswitche i-rotation yabo, i-combination yabo, ushuthi abakayi-understand, abakabi nento e-solid tangible ababhilivela kuyo, nanokuthi babone ukuthi ama-players wabo angadlala like agude kuphi, anga-improve kuphi. As ama-coaches kumele bazazi lezo zinto lezo, but it seems like u-Kaizer Chiefs abakaziboni kahle. Yabona iplay elifana no-Ighodaro bafethu kumele eshaya amagoli amaningi ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uyibhuli, uyakwazi ukulwa nama-defender, but-ke ngeke alwe nama-defender. In fact kusho ukuthi ulwa nama-midfielders phela laphana after i-center yakhe, ulwa nama-midfielders because of la kumele operate khona kahle kakhulu asimboni kahle. But what I like about him, I would say u-fast bafowethu, strong, u-direct futhi, and uyakwazi ukucombine kahle nama-players wakhe. Finishing yakhe bafethu ikhama, ama-run wakhe agudi, a-perfect isikhathi esiningi, uyakwazi ukulinka nama-attackers, but will all trickle down to i-system abayidlalayo. I-challenge laphana and what I'm seeing, or I've been following Ighodaro for some time. I remember bajima after UNISA lapha aqeda ukufika eSouth Africa, we would ask ourselves ukuthi ubani le player leli, because of bekune-sense of arrogance from men. Basajima lapha bangakamboni nokumbona abantu bajima kulama-ground lawa after UNISA lapha nePitori. Since then you could see and spot ukuthi okay, lo muntu lo una-something kuye, akadlali just for the sake of ukudlala, but-ke uyalwa egroundini kakhulu, even nasejimini uyalwa, even amongst, because and then I would ask about him because of I was heavily involved then, ngisebenzela ama-agents and stuff, kuze ama-play ukuthi why iMamelodi Sundowns ngathatha i-play eNigeria but bazomdlalisa la bekadlala khona that time. I don't know if leya team, if khona abantu abazi kangcono, I can't remember ukuthi le team eMamelodi Sundowns beyibizwani, laba bebajimela lapha nePitori, or ama-aerial, angazi ukuthi babiza ama-aerial whatever, because iMamelodi Sundowns yenza ama-relationship namanye ama-team. Thola ukuthi ine-senior team because banokusayina lesi play elina-20. Yabo sengizokhipha iy'nkinga zabantu-ke. Let's not focus kakhulu kuMamelodi Sundowns or u-Ighodaro isikhathi sakhe sakuMamelodi Sundowns, but I saw him when he first arrived la eSouth Africa, bejimela lapha nePitori, but bengajimi ne-senior team. I don't even think bekuyi-DDC team then le bejima nayo, But yeah, I'll find more information about leya nto le, but I remember bekuyi-peak of i-pandemic that time isigqoka ama-mask. Yeah, iplayer bafowethu elingaba important for iMamelodi i-Kaizer Chiefs leli bafowethu. uDu Plessis unaso i-speed siyazi, but-ke i-timing nama-runs wakhe akakwazi ukusebenzisa i-speed sakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, to be fair bafowethu. uDu Plessis angakwazi ukudlala as a-winger or i-striker, but I would say look, as much as isikhathi asikho right for uDu Plessis, maybe mentally akekho right, ugeja amasitha, in fact kunganayo no-goalkeeper epalini but uyageja, but-ke sokuvela into ukuthi ubabakhe so ushonelwe ubabakhe, izinto ezinjalo. Yeah, R_I_P to ubabakhe. Siyazi ukuthi mentally ezinye izinto ziyakucindezela, but khona ama-opportunities okungamelanga uwageje bayindoda. But-ke I think again naku-Du Plessis i-system bafowethu kuphela. But-ke asirepeni le nto le. uMayo for mina bafowethu umuntu engimaziyo ukuthi as i-strike uyi-all round, u-smart, u-composed. uSilva noLo bacishe bafane, but Ighodaro iquality lakhe li-strong kakhulu bafowethu. Ighodaro, yeah, then number 2 striker ku-Kaizer Chiefs I would say u-Ighodaro, but depending on ukuthi udlala amagame anjani. And then uya all out or uyasaba, uya kancane in terms of uku-attack-a. With Ighodaro laphana you have to try and go all out. In fact njengoba bengishilo a few days back ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ingadlala i-strike eziwu-2, uMayo and then babe ne-traditional number 9 laphana is close to i-box. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.